Hello everyone! If you are celebrating it, I wish you a very happy Thanksgiving and I hope that you have a nice day. This is Marine for Sunny Studio and I'm back with a lovely shaker card showcasing the Snow One Like You mini stamp set. I will talk about it in a second, but as always, let's see the products I used to create this new card. So this is the Snow One Like You mini stamp set. I also used the largest die from the Stitched Arch die set, the Chloe Numbers die set, and 2 papers from the Very Merry paper pack. And I started by stamping this cute image using Extreme Black ink by My Favorite Things, and I colored it using my alcohol markers. So this Snow One Like You mini stamp set is a free gift with a $40 purchase at sunnystudio.com through Cyber Monday on November 29th. The coordinating dies come with a $75 purchase, and purchases of $35 or more also come with free shipping within the USA. And one more thing, all purchases will have 10% donated to Convoy of Hope's Women's Empowerment Initiative. If you'd like to learn more about it or maybe make a donation, the link is in the description box below, as well as a recap of everything I just said about this No One Like You mini stamp set. Next I created the background and I started by cutting 2 white panels, one measuring 5.5 by 4.25 inches and one a little bit smaller. I set the bigger one aside and I picked the arch die to cut a window out of the smaller white panel. I taped it right in the middle of the panel and sent it to my die cutting machine. I cut another arch out of scrap paper and I used it as a template to create a frosty effect on an acetate panel. I taped this arch template on the acetate panel and then I used white acrylic paint to make the frosty effect. I just put some paint on some plastic packaging and I used the blending tool to apply the paint all along the edges of the arch template. Next I removed the template and applied more paint on the outside edges. Once I was happy with the look of this frosty frame, I added more snow details. I mixed a few drops of Copic opaque white ink with a little bit of water and I used a small brush to create falling snow on the acetate panel. Once everything was dry, I glued the white arch window on the acetate panel, making sure to line up the frosty frame with the arch. Next, I placed this new window panel on this tree border pattern paper and I traced the 4 edges of the window panel on the pattern paper using a pencil. Off screen, I trimmed this tree border panel and then to create room for the sequins, I added foam strips at the back of the window panel all along the arch. Next, sometimes when you make a shaker card, the sequins can stick to the foam, so to avoid that, I used a powder tool to apply powder all along the foam strips and get rid of any stickiness on the edges of those strips. I used a microfiber cloth to clean the acetate, and then I added sequins on the acetate. We have a mix of white sequins, some white jewels, and also some tiny shiny stars. Next, the powder I used before made the foam strips less sticky, so to make sure that everything would stay perfectly attached, I applied liquid glue on the foam strips, and then I stuck the tree border panel on those strips to close the shaker. I attached my shaker panel on the other white panel I showed you at the beginning, and then I stuck my sentiment and the image. To create my sentiment, I white heat embossed the word theirs and the words one else like you on a light pink cardstock, and I made the word snow. I cut the letters out of a pink pattern paper and out of white cardstock. I layered those letters on top of each other and I stuck all these elements at the top of the arch section using foam squares, and I attached the image below using foam squares as well. Finally, I attached my panel on a white card base, and that's it, all done. Now don't forget to check the description box below the video to get all the details about the Snow One Like You mini stem set. Thank you so much for stopping by and happy Thanksgiving! Bye!